kitchen instruments. Now, if you're a fan of mussels, then this episode is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a flavor-packed and super simple mussels Mariniere. And it couldn't be easier. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk mussels Mariniere. Now, mussels Mariniere is a classic French dish, and it's nothing more than mussels that is cooked in a flavorful broth, usually made up of garlic, butter, wine, cream, and a little bit of parsley. Now, I'm going to take mine a step down the road by adding frozen peas and a little bit of that lemon fennel saffron oil that we made about a week ago. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like button, as well as to share this video, because it actually helps my channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you really enjoy the show, feel free to subscribe, because it'll keep you up to date on all my new cooking tutorials, which is usually about 2 or 3 a week. It's a lot. Now, if you're a mussels fan, you're going to love this dish. It's fast, it's easy, it's absolutely jam-packed to the gills with flavor. You're not going to want to miss this. Trust me. Alright, and there it is. Easy mussels Mariniere. Who said French cooking had to be difficult? I don't know if anyone's actually said that. Alright, well that's all I have time for this week. Stop by later in the week where we're going to be making my ultimate Philly steak and cheese episode. It is going to be a good one. Trust me. I have inside information.